How to use Monzo Railcard. To use the Monzo Railcard, follow these steps. Obtaining the Railcard. When you subscribe to Monzo Perks, you receive a code that acts as a discount voucher. You can use this code during the regular Railcard application process. The Railcard is not directly tied to your bank account or name, which gives you some flexibility in its use. Digital Railcard. The Railcard provided through Monzo Perks is digital, and you can access it through apps like Trainline or the official Railcard app. Although a physical card is not provided, the digital format is widely accepted and convenient for most users. Cancellation and fees. If you cancel Monzo Perks before your next anniversary, you'll be required to pay a fee to retain the Railcard. The fee is calculated based on how many months remain until your next anniversary. Additional benefits. Besides the Railcard, Monzo Perks includes other perks such as discounts at places like Greg's. However, assess whether the cost of the Monzo Perks subscription justifies these extra benefits for you. By following these steps, you can effectively use your Monzo Railcard and enjoy the associated perks. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.